you're experiencing high ping in Minecraft, it can lead to lag and an overall frustrating gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you enhance your connection and reduce ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to determine your current download and upload speeds. If your speeds are significantly lower than what you pay for, consider restarting your router or contacting your ISP for assistance. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection can significantly reduce ping. Connect your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster connection. Step 3. Optimize Minecraft settings. Adjust the in-game settings to improve performance. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and disable VSync. These changes can help reduce the load on your system and improve overall performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet or consume system resources can negatively impact your gaming experience. Step 5. Choose the right server. Select a Minecraft server that is geographically closer to your location. The closer the server, the lower the ping. You can also look for servers that are optimized for low latency. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Minecraft ping. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.